we are doing an unboxing, and believe it or not, it's not a handbag. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I'm Jen, and yes, this is clearly not a bag, so let's get this out of the box here. It came in like three, so it came in a cardboard box, then it came in this other cardboard box, and now there's a third box inside. It's packaged pretty well. Wow, this is super secure here. Ooh, and what is it? It is from Filofax. So they make planners and other stationery, agenda type stuff. I've actually never owned a Filofax before. Obviously, this is a very well-known brand. All right, let's see what's inside. Shout out to Filofax. This is really nice packaging here. It's a new planner, or as they say in Filofax terms, an organizer with an S. Let's get the cover off here. Really cute. Yeah, check out how well this is packaged. Really nice. Let's get this plastic off here. I'm really excited about this, and I want to tell you why I bought this, because I do already have another planner or an agenda, but I wanted to try this out. This is the Filofax Norfolk Organizer, or I guess you could call it an agenda or a planner. It has 6 rings. This is made of like sort of a pebble leather, and it's in the color sage. And I love this when I saw it. So I already have a Louis Vuitton Agenda MM that I got off of eBay. And while I really like it, I do find, so I'm left-handed, and I did find that sometimes things would get in the way when I was trying to write. This is the personal size, so it's not very wide, as you can see here. When I was writing, like there's not a lot of room here. So when I'm writing on the left side here I'll get a pen. And by the way, these are left-handed pens. I found them on Amazon. I was like, wow. They're ergonomically designed. They're okay. I'm not really sure about the shape, but it has ink that dries really fast. So I find I get less smudges on my hand here. If you're a lefty, you know what I'm talking about here. So when I was writing on the left side, there's no rings in the way, but my hand sort of goes off the paper. And then when you're writing on the right side of the agenda, I have to write over the rings. So that I did find to be a bit problematic. Overall, I do like the agenda, and I think it's super cute. And I got this at a pretty good price on eBay, but I wanted to try the larger size. Now, Louis Vuitton, this is the same size planner as the Louis Vuitton Agenda GM, but the Agenda GM is over $900, and I'm not sure, I can't really justify paying that much. With tax, it would be about $1,000 to try out the larger size. So I saw that Filofax had a version that was significantly less expensive, so I decided to give it a shot. It's it's leather, it's got a snap, it smells really nice. It comes in several different colors. So you open it up here, this has the A5 size rings. So it's got some pen slots here. So I like that these are elastic, so I thought that was pretty cool. It's got a zipper pocket on this side here. Everything feels really nice quality. It's got a pocket on here, and it already came with a 2024 planner, so at least I can get started with everything, because I'm not sure. I bought some accessories for the Agenda MM, and I'm really trying to get more organized in 2024. I love keeping my calendar on paper. Well, this is cool. It comes with a little ruler already, and it also comes with a little sleeve here. And then on the back, it has card slots, a pocket here, and on top it has like a wide, like it runs the full length of the whole planner, so you could put stuff in here. I don't know, like receipts, maybe something like that. But this looked pretty promising. Now on the Filofax website, I think this was over $250. I actually did not pay that. I'll link to some places where you can get this down below in the description box, but Amazon does have this available in a few of the colors. It didn't have the sage green, so I actually did pay a little bit more to get the color I wanted. I just like this color a lot, I don't know. So Amazon does have some colors, and they're significantly less expensive than the Filofax website. I ended up getting this from a UK website called Pen Heaven, and this was, I paid about $100 less than the Filofax site. Again, shout out to Filofax, but again, I'd like to save some money too. So I ended up, it shipped in about 5 days. That's pretty quick. It got delivered DHL. Oh, and wait, no, is this a pocket? No, that's not a pocket. But look at the quality, and I just thought I would try out this size and a much lower price to even see if I like it. So I didn't want to get 2 Louis Vuitton agendas, maybe to only find out that I don't like it or something like that. So this looks really nice. It's real leather. I also saw a bunch of I hate the term faux leather, by the way. It's not leather, it's just plastic, but I saw a lot of quote unquote faux leather planners on Amazon for like 35 bucks, but I wanted something that was actual leather. Filofax is obviously a very reputable brand, so I felt comfortable going with this. But the quality looks really nice. We'll see how this holds up. But yeah, you can smell the leather. It smells really nice. And I like that it already came with the planners. Let's open this up and see how it looks. So, okay, and I'll probably order some more inserts. Like, I'd like to get some page lifters. I do have some inserts for the Agenda MM that I like. It comes with this little dashboard here, but this kind of helps keep the pages from like getting all wonky in here. So I'll probably order some of these page lifters for the A5 size. I also have this little like zippy pocket here, which I haven't used. I have liked these inserts. So yeah, you can get inserts for a lot cheaper on Amazon. So I do really, so maybe what I'll do is I'll have this planner, the larger size, be sort of my everyday planner, and then I might kind of repurpose the Agenda MM into more of like a pocket agenda, something I can throw in my bag, maybe just put some blank loose leaf sheets in there, something like that. I think I do have some of those. So I have really liked this planner. I just find that for my hand, it just, I don't know, I've been having trouble writing it, but it might be a better, on the go type of, sort of a notebook, that type of thing. But this size looks a little bit more easy to work with here. All right, so it comes with, so you get like a kind of a calendar at a glance. Okay, so you can, oh, this is nice. You can write down your plan, like any important dates, just note sheets. And then it, obviously we're well into February, but it does come with like sort of a week at a glance here. And this should be enough space for me. So each day you get a little bit of space. I don't find I need too much more than that. Oh, and for each month you also have some space to write with. Oh, this is nice. For each month you also get a sheet that has like to-do, special dates, goals, notes. So that's pretty cool. So it does seem to be fairly versatile. Okay, get a couple more note sheets here. So this is nice when you just need somewhere to write. And this has silver hardware, not gold like the LV. So this actually looks pretty cool. And it's got like, okay, with 5 a.m. Oh, this is like different languages. Okay, so this is sort of an international version. I like that it comes with the ruler. And I've been using my ruler to put in whatever week I'm on to keep my place. I do think, and apparently this one has larger rings than some other A5 sizes, so you can fit more in it. But yeah, I like this, and it comes with, okay, there's a couple more blank sheets here. Okay, so you can put, you can label this and do some, put more stuff in here. Now these are just paper dividers. I actually would prefer something a little more substantial. So I may order some additional inserts for this. Okay, here's another. Okay, wow, a lot of to-do sheets. This actually came with some really nice inserts already. Now you can, through the Filofax website, you can actually order a completely custom set of inserts. I did not do that because it was an additional cost, and I didn't really see a need for having custom inserts. But if you would like custom inserts, that option is available on the Filofax site. And of course, you can order more stuff. Okay, it's got the holidays here. This seems to be a really nice planner. The only, okay, oh, and this thing, oh, I like that you can pop this out without opening the rings. That's cool, okay. Because that's what I like about the ruler I got for the Agenda MM. Also, I have to show you some pens I bought from, these are fancier pens, and I haven't really used them yet, but they're really cool. These are by Swarovski. I bought these pens as sort of a little gift to myself, but they're really cute. I got a little sort of like seafoam green pen, and then it's got crystals in the top here. And these are both twist to open pens. Really beautiful. I'm kind of a stationery nut, and this one's sort of a pale pink but look at these crystals here. These are just super pretty crystals here. This one's really cool too. And this also twists to open. I do like these. The ink is black in both of them. They do write fairly smooth. I just haven't brought myself to really use these yet, but they are really cute. I just think these are cool pens. I think they were like $50 each. I know, kind of expensive for pens, but it's obviously because of the crystals. So, and they came in these little bags here. So that was pretty cool, little velvet cases. So that's sort of a little stationary haul though. But if you have an A5 planner, let me know if you have any tips for using yours, or if you have any suggestions. I know a lot of people are raving about the cloth and paper inserts, and they actually have a very similar organizer, but when I went to the website, they were all sold out, so I had to look for another option. I really liked their version in the color Cortado. It was sort of like a very deep brown, beautiful color. And I'd seen them in stock earlier, and I didn't order one for whatever reason. I was like, oh, that's kind of a bummer. But then I saw the Filofax planner, and I was like, this could be cool. All right, so let's find this week. It's like February something. But I'm really excited to start using this, and I will update you on how I, maybe like on my inserts and what I end up finding. I'm filming this on the 20th. I'll probably edit this like who knows when. So, oh, this is cool. So it's got inches on one side and then it has centimeters on the other side. So it's got like standard and metric. I'll probably put mine this way, or yeah, I guess this way. All right, so let's just put this in here. So this will tell you what week it is. So I like doing this so that it kind of keeps its place. So you can just flip open to the week you actually, yeah, this definitely needs page lifters because it's just hard to like move the paper around in here. And you see what I mean? Like it's a lot easier when you use page lifters. So I'll definitely be ordering some of those. But that's just a quick look at my new Norfolk organizer in the A5 size in leather from Filofax. I'm really liking this so far. The color is very rich. Again, it does come in several different colors, so if green's not really your thing, there are plenty of other options. So let me know what you think and what kind of planner you use. Yeah, I'm very much a paper and pen kind of gal. I absolutely need to have a paper planner. That's just how I am. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I'll see you again in the next one.